Hi guys, so I just got this package from Vivo, and first thing that struck out to me was all the glitz and glamour. And I know I'm using the word glitz and glamour. That's simply because of the way the box looks. You can see the beautiful color tones there. You have the blue, you have the silver. But yeah, I think it's a great box. It's sleek as well, and it has the vivo v23e written on it. So that means actually what I do have here in front of me is the vivo v23e mobile phone. And yeah, let's get to it. Let's see what's inside the box. So once you open the box, the first thing before you have the main device itself, the phone, you have this beautiful transparent pack. And I think myself, why I do like the transparent pack is simply because you could also see the beautiful color tones from the phone itself. So that way you don't have like a dark pack that's going to hide the beauty of the phone. Obviously you have the pin here for you to actually be able to put in your SIM cards. But then the most important part about this box, I think I'll go into the other parts of this box much later in the video, but this is the device itself. This is the vivo v23e mobile phone. The first thing you actually notice about the phone is actually the way the colors actually look like it's changing whenever you're moving it around. I think for me this is a very, very cool feature that the phone does have. Also, one other thing that actually strikes a huge difference is how light and how easy the phone is to hold, because most times when you have a mobile phone now, you're worried about dropping the phone or cracking the screen or something like that. But this phone just weighs around 172 grams, which I think is actually really great. It's so easy to hold. You're actually not going to feel like it's heavy at all. And yeah, I think this is a very great feature that they've added to this phone. This phone is a full high definition phone. It has a 6.44 AMOLED, which is the in-display fingerprint as well. So yeah, I know this is actually one of the parts, or the main parts, that especially in the social media world, we actually want to know how great is the camera. I think subsequently I'm going to take like some selfies and you guys will be able to see how well the front camera works. The front camera has a 50 megapixel camera, and for the rear camera you have a 64 megapixel, an 8 megapixel and a 2 megapixel. So how great is that? Now you can get all the clear shots that you actually want to get from all the pictures that you want to take, or objects, or whatever it is that you're going to be taking pictures of, which for me I think is a very, very great functionality that the phone also has. Now when I was talking about the lower compartment of this phone packaging, you have like the charging ports and the charging cords here. The cool thing is it also has the fast charging, so you don't have to actually plug your phone in for 2 hours before your phone gets charged fully. So these are actually things that are very, very great features that the phone does have. So yeah, what are you guys waiting for? I have mine. Just go pop yours and we can compete and see who has the finest pictures on social media. See you guys out there.